most excited for the Norwegian cake.
Yeah, me too, because I never tasted it.
This is called troika.
Troika.
I don't know who eats this because I've never seen a person my age like buy this, but I love it and my dad loves it.
Me. I like all the old people thing.
Yeah, and it's marzipan and dark chocolate and light chocolate and then a fruity thing.
It looks so fancy.
If you want to take it, piece. Yeah.
You can see through that. It's so light.
What?
What the hell? It feels like nothing.
It's like a Turkish delight, but better.
Do you like it?
Uh-huh. Oh my god.
I like it.
I really like it.
What would you rate it?
An 8.
Whoa!
It's getting my birthday.
And you?
I'm gonna rate it a 6, but if you would like marzipan, it would get an 8. That's sure.
Yeah, it's like I rated the hardwood thing. Like, if you liked it sour, it would be so good. These are caramels.
Love caramel.
Smørbukk.
Smørbukk?
Wait. Yes. They're really like classical. They're really classic. They're been a thing. Everybody knows them. But yeah, and I like them a lot.
I got one.
Yeah. Here, you have one. It's just like caramel.
They're very cutely packaged.
Yes, they are. It's like the Vana's original. But I prefer the caramel of this one.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, I liked it. It was a 7.5.
Wow.
Nice.
No, 7. Sorry. It was a 7 because nothing surprised me.
Yeah, you get this like it's a caramel and then it tastes like but it's so much more. It's like it's a caramel.
Yeah, but it's a good caramel.
It is a good
And
caramel.
it's cutely packaged.
Yeah.
And it's called.
It's like wholesome.
There's little cows on it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a... What did I rate the other one?
6.
Didn't you give it a 7? It's better than the other one. I like it.
This is Segman. Normally, I would not choose this brand. I would choose another. But my mom sent me this, and it's okay. I guess they're also good.
Can I have a red one?
Yeah.
Can I take one?
Which one is your favorite one?
Oh,
I like the red ones.
oh my god, they're like jelly babies.
Seg is
but
like
so much more
if something
cute
is Seg,
shapes.
you have to chew a little, like before you can chew it properly. You know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It takes time to chew it.
Oh my god.
It's cute. I'm also gonna take one because it tastes like childhood. This is like you put them on your chocolate cake when you're little and you have like children's parties, you know.
Wait, can I try another flavor?
Yeah.
What's the best flavor?
I don't know. It's so long since I had them.
It's like the old person gummy texture.
Yeah,
That's my favorite, so I'm not complaining. I love it. It's so like simple.
Yeah.
Wow.
If you ask me, this is the best chocolate we have in Norway. It's Freya, and it's amazing.
What's the price? 20?
That was probably on sale because it's fucking expensive in Norway.
$20.
No, not dollars. It's like that would be like $3.
Oh.
But this was definitely on sale because normally it's like $6.
How is it good?
Mmm.
Yeah.
It's between Rittersport and Lind. It's harder than Lind, so it's a little bit long.
Yeah.
And it's called Messechokolade, which is really creative.
Messechokolade?
It's milk chocolate. It's
Milk
really
chocolate?
creatively named.
It's better than Milka.
Yeah, I think. Even if Milka is good. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
I like it too. What about other one?
How would you rate it? Yeah. Value. How would you rate it?
How much did I give the Rittersport?
I didn't rate it was yours. At least you did. I give it an 8.
Yeah.
Because if I'm just going chocolate, it's like a 10 for milk chocolate. As a dessert as a whole, it's an 8.
Okay, yeah.
It's just milk chocolate.
I have also one with caramel with me if you want to take that later. Yeah.
I think this one with Leibniz, like this chocolate with the Leibniz would be a 10.
Yeah, I give this 12, but I respect
12?
all your opinions. If you have the perfect like amount of hunger and you have a glass of water and you take like 3 pieces of that, it's the best thing in the world.
That was specific.
That's a specific scenario though, and we're not in this scenario. Last thing I brought, this. I don't like this, but
I don't like this, but
it's called the wasp's nest.
Okay.
Yeah,
Vepsbol.
vepsebol.
Vepsbol. Ah, true.
Vepsebol.
Vepsbol.
Yeah.
Sounds pretty fancy.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Can I bite it?
No. Or you can, so you should. But it's gonna take a while.
I'm not gonna
Do I do it?
bite it.
Just like. And then you have to finish it, like, because.
Can I chew it or do I just suck it?
Ow!
Did you discover the surprise? You like it?
Do I just suck it?
Oh!
You can do whatever you want.
No, what's the
Don't bite it, you're gonna hurt yourself.
Yeah, it's really hard.
Oh my god, I love it!
Yeah?
Yes! I hurt myself, but
It's
after
not
hurting, it's so good. Oh my
Yeah.
god!
I don't.
The inside is so good. No, I don't know how to eat the rest.
So it's called the wasp's nest because it's like, it starts sweet, but then the closer you get, it's like sour, suddenly.
The outside tastes like a lollipop.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I like the outside a lot.
I like the inside, I don't like the outside. I can let you eat the outside and I'm gonna take the inside. That's like disgusting.
Personally, I liked it.
I'm gonna give it an 8 because it was so surprising. I don't like the lollipop, but I like the inside very a lot. And for the surprise, I'm gonna give it an 8. For the inside, I would give it a 8.9. 9.5. I wanted to say 9.5.
9.
And 9.5.
I'm gonna give it a 7.
Yeah.
Like I wouldn't ever buy it for myself.
Okay, yeah.
If someone would give it, I would be happy.
Caramel one?
Thank you. That's not what I wanted to expect with that. But
Yeah, but I don't like it. I don't want it.
yeah, you sure?
I don't know why my parents sent it to me, no.
Excuse me, you know that she don't like that, okay?
Can I try the caramel?
Yeah,
Do you have a review?
it's in the thing. It's my favorite chocolate, like, in the world. So
Really?
I bet you can not guess what that means.
Just milk?
Yeah.
Milk!
Milk? Caramel.
Smile.
Oh.
Oh, it's like smile.
Yeah.
I'm really sorry for the bad
No, it's
lightning
very
because
bad.
it's getting dark early here.
You want to put the caramel?
Yes, I really want to.
This is my favorite chocolate.
Hmm? I can't say if I like this better or this one.
Me neither. Depends on the day. It's also really good with water and the perfect amount of hunger.
Yum.
It's better than dying.
I agree.
What was your favorite thing that you ate today?
That was a weird sound.
The German cookie. That was my 9. That was
Yeah.
the highest I gave. And then my Australian favorite was also a cookie.
Yeah.
With the tea. I'm gonna do it properly once, and I'm not gonna spill tea myself.
I think this chocolate was the best one.
Yeah,
For
or
me.
this one.
Yeah, we can.
Troika.
Mm-hmm.
And the...
And they...
What do we try from German? I'm gonna say with cookie or with caramel.
Okay, well I'm gonna say from Australia, I think the Tum Tam.
Yeah.
Yeah. And here also the chocolate.
Which of them? Both?
I think this one. For right now, I
The
feel more
classic
that
one.
classic one. So we're done with this video. I hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Don't forget, if you want to have another part, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Comment down below which candy you want us to try. Tschüss!
Holly.
I just wanted to say arrivederci.
That's
And-
what gonna say.
Bye bye, parce que ici tout le monde dit ça.
Oui. GoPro. Aufnahme stoppen.